I am pretty excited to share this trail with you. I can't tell you where it is, but that's because it's an unsanctioned trail. I found some roughly built trail just off my neighborhood, and it's only a 2-minute bike ride from my front door. This place has some real potential. The initial descent is over 100 feet of elevation loss. After that, it drops into some trail that needs some berms built on it. I then found another 115-foot descent farther in. There's still plenty more out here I haven't explored. Enough talking, here it is.
Definitely need a berm there. Oh, I went through spider web. Definitely need something there too. Can't take that turn with any speed. This part is so loose. You can't take that turn going too fast or you'll just slide. Got to get out here and pack it in more. And I gotta cut back some of these spiky trees or branches like that one. These things will cut you. And from here, it goes uphill on this old road for a very long time. It's a really steep climb once you get up there too. I've never made it. I had to get off and walk, but it's a tough one. I'll have to insert a clip, but before I found that there was trail up here, I would ride to the top and just ride my bike down this paved road. And it's so steep. You get going so fast, I hit like 40 miles an hour. I've got a video I'll insert. Gotta watch out for the bad cattle guard. There we go. I guess it's a good thing that I can't make this climb because that's how I actually noticed that there's a trail right here. This isn't quite the tip top. It goes up a little more, but there's no trail up there that I can tell. This is what we're dealing with out here. I mean, there is a lot of land. None of it I'm allowed to build on technically, and it will probably all be torn up and houses and businesses will be built soon. But still, this is really pretty cool. I plan to come out here quite a bit and ride since I don't have to deal with traffic. I don't have to deal with loading up my bike rack. You know, I can't keep it on all the time. It's a pretty good deal for me. Maybe we'll build a few things out here too and make some videos of it. Here we go. This needs a little work right here. God, these turns are terrible. Like every turn out here is off camber. And then it goes back here where clearly no one really comes back here anymore. Oh God. But I think if I get back here and cut some of this crap out, I can actually continue the trail, make another pass across the road. And there is more trail out here. I just need to cut some stuff back and discover it, really. That'll be in future videos.
I plan to do some work out here and I will share some of the trail building videos. I have no idea what I'm doing, but that's going to be the fun part. Subscribe for more and click that thumbs up for finding trail that's not a 30-minute drive away, and thanks for watching. If you're looking for a well-made pair of mountain biking glasses or downhill goggles but don't want to break the bank, check out Siroko. They sent me a pair of glasses and goggles. I was impressed by the quality, customer service, and shipping times. Their website offers many different styles, colors, and options. If you're in need of some eyewear for the trail, be sure to check them out.